Good morning. Welcome to the Kate Shepherd Elementary Newscast. Today is Monday, May 9th, 2022. Please stand and join me in a Pledge of Allegiance and a moment of silence. Salute, pledge. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. Remain standing for a moment of silence. Thank you. You may be seated. Today's announcements. Teachers, please go ahead and post your attendance. PST, all PST documentation should be current. We also will have a faculty meeting today, so make sure after your duty you head down to, I believe it's going to be in the Collab Lab, for the faculty meeting. Late duty for this week, we have Miss Stowe, Tuesday Miss Moore, Wednesday Miss Everett, Thursday Miss Waller, Friday Miss Shaver. We also have the late duty up for the last 2 weeks of school, so check out those names. Important dates. Today we have the SWAT for 4th grade and we have faculty meeting. Also all this week we have our iReady reading diagnostic for grades K through 5. Yes, grades K through 5. May 10th, we have vision research on campus. May 11th is our graduation walk at Shepherd for the 2022 seniors. May 11th, we have our National School Nurses Day. May 12th is our spring picnic. May 13th, PLU evidence due. May 16th, summative conferences begin. May 18th, PST and volunteer appreciation brunch. May 19th will be math PLT. May 24th, class party day and 5th grade transition program. May 26th, last day for students, and May 27th is a teacher work day. End of the year iReady diagnostic, that's going to be taking place these 3 days. Monday we have kindergarten and first, as well as Miss Hamlin, Miss Curd, and Miss Washam. Tomorrow we have 4th and 5th, as well as Peralta, Battaglia, and Granger. And last but not least, we have Miss Bertolino on Wednesday. Congratulations to our iReady Stars of the Week. For K1, we have Cammie W. in Miss Clark's class with 10 lessons, and our top class is Miss Hogan's class. In 2nd and 3rd, we have Miss Chanel Brown, who had 8 lessons passed in Miss Curd's class, and our top winner for 2nd and 3rd is Miss Curd's class. Next, in our 4th, 5th grades, we have Miss Cassie Wilcox in 4th grade, and we have Miss Arch's class as the top class. Way to go to all our iReady Stars of the Week. That's all for today's news. Have a marvelous Monday, Kate Shepherd.